Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for business taxes. First, determine which IRS form applies to your business structure. Most businesses use Form 7004 to request an automatic 6-month extension. Remember, an extension only grants more time to file your return, not to pay any taxes owed. You must still estimate and pay your tax liability by the original deadline to avoid penalties. Let's get started. Choosing the correct form is crucial. Most partnerships, S corporations, and C corporations will file Form 7004. This form grants an automatic 6-month extension. However, if you operate as a sole proprietor or a single-member LLC, you'll typically file Form 4868, which is the same form individuals use. Make sure you select the right one to ensure your extension is properly processed. Filing your extension is straightforward, especially when done electronically. You can use the IRS e-file system or your preferred tax preparation software. Simply fill out the required information on Form 7004 or Form 4868, including your business details and estimated tax liability. Be sure to submit the form by your original tax deadline to ensure it's accepted. It's a quick process that can save you from late filing penalties. While an extension gives you more time to file, it does not extend the time to pay your taxes. You must still pay any estimated tax liability by the original due date to avoid interest and late payment penalties. Filing an extension prevents the late filing penalty, which can be significant. Always keep a copy of your filed extension for your records. This ensures you're covered and can focus on preparing an accurate return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.